Welcome to this new series in which we will be creating a NuxtJS app combined with a Laravel API for the backend, in which we will be using JWT JSON Web Tokens authentication. So yeah, let's get started creating out our Laravel app first of all. So I'm just going to use the composer create project command. So I'll say Laravel/Laravel, and then the name of my project, which will be JWT auth. Alright, so that has finished installing. So now if I head over to jwauth.tests, and I just check that out, my Laravel blank project is running. I head into my code editor here, and I'm just gonna, first of all, I'm gonna create a authentication scaffolding. So I'm just gonna run a PHP artisan make auth. I have to cd into my project first, of course, and that has created our authentication scaffolding. So then what I want to do is I prefer if my models are inside of a models directory, so I'm just gonna create a models directory here and drag in this user model. We'll just wait for this to index. Alright, so that has finished indexing, so now I'll drag that in, and I'll just change my namespace. And then we need to just change over some small things. So we need to go to the register controller, although we won't be using it, but I'll just do it for now anyway. And we'll change this to models, and this one as well. And now we also want to head into config, close this up, config auth.php, and we'll say models, and config database, because I also need to change something in here. I'm going to change this UTF-8 char set to not MB4. I'm just going to say UTF-8, and then inside of here I'm also going to remove the MB4. Alright, so that's that. Now if I just head into config/services, which again it's probably not really needed, not really needed in our case, but you know, it's good to just fix this anyway. So now if I just run php artisan migrate, alright, so I need to, forgot to set up my env file, so I just do that right now. jwt auth root and my password, and then we have our migrations, which is our our database is empty for now, which is completely fine. So now I'm just going to look up JWT authentication Laravel, and I'm just going to look at this package right here. I'm going to head over to the documentation, the Laravel installation. So then we'll say this, and we want the develop. Okay, so that has installed. Yeah, now we can go to our config/app.php. Just look at the documentation, what we have to pull in. We have to pull in this thing. So we head over to our package service providers and pop that in. And then we're going to publish the configuration. And that is complete. And then we'll generate the secret. So that is all finished installing, and now we can take a look at the config file and see what we can configure. So this is the time to live for the token, which is, I think, defaults to 1 hour, so this is in minutes. And we can change this over later if we want. So yeah, that's it. We have finished installing this package, and in the next episode we'll look at creating our controllers to actually utilize this package. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode.